What's going on, guys? Alex here with another video. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, that is the health savings account, otherwise known as the HSA. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the HSA to supercharge your retirement account and stick it to the IRS. With that being said, my name is Alex. I'm a CPA here in the great state of Texas. Let's get into the video. The HSA has triple tax savings and can really supercharge your retirement account. First, you get a tax deduction when you contribute to an HSA. So let's say you're a single individual and you contribute the max of $35.50 this year. That immediately comes off your taxable income when you file your taxes. Secondly, as the account grows, any interest or earnings on that account is also tax-free. And lastly, if you use the funds in those accounts towards medical expenses, they come out tax-free. So as most of you are aware, retirement accounts generally end up as a pre-tax or after-tax account. The pre-tax accounts, such as a traditional IRA or your 401k, you get a deduction for as you contribute to the account. As you take money out of that account, that is income that goes on your tax return and you have to pay taxes on it. The other option is Roth accounts, such as a Roth 401k or Roth IRA. You have to pay taxes on these funds up front. However, when you withdraw the funds, they come out tax-free. So the difference with an HSA is that you get the best of both worlds. You get a tax deduction as you put the funds in the account, and as long as you use them for medical expenses, they come out tax-free as well. So those are some of the basics of a health savings account. Let's get into something a little more advanced. So many financial advisors today are advising their clients not to use the funds in the HSA. So the reason a lot of financial experts are recommending this is they want you to leave the funds in there and allow it to grow and compound over time. Albert Einstein once famously said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. And honestly, who are we to go against Albert Einstein's advice? So let me give you an example of what I mean. Let's say you go to the doctor and you spend $100. Instead of using funds from the HSA, use funds from your regular account. The reason for this is that the IRS allows you to take money out of an HSA even for prior expenses. In other words, if you can use the funds in another account, then do that. You can always take money out of the HSA as long as you have your receipt. But if you start by using the funds in your HSA, then you can't go back. One of the biggest things that people aren't aware of when they retire is that you often have to supplement Medicare. In my opinion, the HSA can be a very powerful tool in retirement. First, you should always contribute to your 401k to get the company match. This comes right after that, in my opinion. The HSA is like a superpower. If you're able to retire with tens of thousands of dollars in your HSA account, it's going to be a big relief for you when you retire and you need those funds to supplement your Medicare. So what a lot of people don't realize is that you have to actually invest your HSA funds. You can't just leave them in the account. For example, my HSA bank allows me to transfer funds from the account to my TD Ameritrade account. In this account, because I'm not using the funds in the next 10 years, I invested all in equities. Currently, I have almost 5 figures in my HSA account, and I know that's going to snowball over time. And when I'm ready to retire, I know I'll be set financially when it comes to medical expenses. So my advice for you, if you don't have an HSA set up and you are on a high deductible health plan, go ahead and talk to your HR department to see what HSA plans are available for you. Then talk to your financial advisor and CPA to see where are the best places for you to invest that. During this time, we all need extra deductions. If you're eligible for this plan, go ahead and get your HSA set up so that you can save on your 2020 taxes and stick it to the IRS. Alright guys, that's the video. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe, leave any questions that you have down in the comment section. See you in the next one.